I get such a kick out of some of these traders, so-called traders, on whether they come on the internet, StockTwits, or CNBC. I love the guys at the Fast Money crowd, and they'll come up to a chart like this on Nvidia, and they'll map this and map that, and they're going to tell you what Nvidia is going to do for the next 2 or 3 days, right? Such nonsense. We had a level 2 member today take a trade on Nvidia that came up as a Pebble Beach sell on our system called the Pebble Beach. See, this is a system, a strategy that has been back tested and forward tested and traded for years. A very successful strategy. This sits on his computer, and as the opportunities come up immediately, without looking at CNBC or the Twitter sphere, or even listening or talking to me, he's able to act. Today, he placed 16 puts on Nvidia for $1 that expired today, and turned a $1,600 investment into $2,100. But it gets better than that. Because you see, he also has the Pebble Beach not just on an hourly basis, he has it on a daily basis. And just the other day, he got a Pebble Beach sell on Baidu when it was up here. Just last night, he placed put options. He put $3,200 at risk over a 2-week period, over 2 weeks. This morning, he closed 2/3 of them as Baidu gapped down close to 25 points. He cashed a check for almost 15 grand from Mr. Market. He still got 1/3 of his options that he's probably going to ride for another few days or another week or so. He didn't listen to anybody. He listened to the Pebble Beach system. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. If you're tired of taking blind trades from strangers, blind trades from the CNBC talking heads, the Nigerians, BK, Weiss, the rest of them, you think you're going to get, a performance record from that? From Guy Adami, when he tells you at the end of the day, my pick for tomorrow is? Come on, folks. Get an education. Get an education someplace. Get automated. These strategies have been back tested, forward tested. We've traded them for years. Get on my Twitter sphere. Ask some of our members if you want. I don't care. But get an education from someone. Our base membership, $99 a month. And just because it's Memorial Day doesn't mean we're going to cut the price. We're not. And we're not going to tell you, if you join for your life, you get a lifetime this, lifetime that. It's only going to cost you 10 grand. We don't do that to you either. $99 a month. If you don't have fun, if you don't learn, and if you don't make money, bag it. We don't lose anybody. You can ask. And if you want to trade with these systems, if you're at TradeStation or want to get to TradeStation, and you want to trade with these systems on your computer, plug in the stocks that you want to trade. And we have great systems to help you get the most volatile from day to day. But if you want to trade Apple every day for the rest of your life, have at it. But we don't. We go to the setups, the high probability setups. That level 2 membership is $400 in addition to the base. But for that $400 for level 2 and your base membership, which would be $500, you get the Swing Machine intraday, and you get all of our proprietary indicators and strategies to reside on your computer. And we'll help you along the way. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com, inviting you to follow us, inviting you to join for 1 month to see what we're all about. We're about helping people to develop and trade their own game. We're not about giving away the fish and, this. We're just not about that. I won't go there with some of the other crap that I see out on the Twitter sphere. Feel free to check us out. You want to talk to me personally over the weekend? Call me anytime. 813-758-8263. 813-758-8263. We have been doing this for years. This just didn't start 6 months ago. We developed Stock Market Caddy before 2005, before there was a Twitter sphere. I've been trading since 1982. I'm an old fart. So we've seen the .com and the crashes and this and that. We trade right through them. So if you want to learn what that's all about, we can help you. And we're not a broker. We're not a broker. We don't make specific financial recommendations. We're about developing systems that are consistent, that scour the markets real time, so that you and you alone can be in the quiet of your office at home or at work and place a trade and make money. Clearly, when this gentleman put his trade on, he knew exactly where his exit was. He knew exactly how much he was risking. And even though that may have been a $3,200 investment in the options, it's very, very unlikely that he would have lost anywhere near that. He was putting that on to take advantage of the high probability of the trade and to take advantage of the setup. And boy, did he ever. How many of those, would you like a year? 5 or 6? I'm Bag It On, StockMarketCaddy.com. Feel free to call and feel free to check us out.